Hello folks, John Goldstein here. I'm going to answer some of our frequently asked questions about our Leisure Coachworks Teardrop Doors. All of our Leisure Coachworks Teardrop Doors have a nice privacy glass giving you light when you need it and privacy when you close the door. All of our locks have the standard lock and a deadbolt. Open it up. We have a built-in screen with a latch and a sliding plastic door. After installing the door, it's always important to remember that you need to remove these shipping supports and the drop protection plastic. One other point to consider is Leisure Coachworks Teardrop Doors are rounded radiuses at the top and they are not square. When determining the right door for your application, you need to understand that this outside dimension is not the dimension that you're going to use to determine your door. If you flip around the door, this is going to be your cutout dimension and this is going to be the size of the door that you need to get. The outside radius and the inside radius are also different. When installing this door, it's always helpful if you'd like to make a template that you can make that will sit and it will match the overall profile of the inside cutout dimension. After installing, make sure that you install the insert molding that will go in this area and it will cover all of those screws and help protect it from water. Now that we've went over all of the frequently asked questions, I hope that helps you find the correct door for your application. Make sure you visit at leisureRVparts.com to find the right door for your needs.